Stop scrolling. What if I told you your Arizona business could explode overnight? Imagine your ad popping up right when a thirsty customer searches best local cafe near me under the blazing Arizona sun. That's the magic of Google Ads tailored for Arizona locals. But here's the twist. Most campaigns fail because they ignore local flair. Use keywords like Phoenix, Scottsdale, or even neighborhood names to reel in customers walking your streets. Visualize this. Your ad shining bright against the desert sunset, catching attention with sizzle and sparkle. Next, target by time. Lunch rush in Tempe, your ad appears. Evening shoppers in Tucson, boom, you're there. Don't forget mobile users. 80% of local searches happen on phones driving around town. That's your gold mine. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Businesses using location-based Google Ads see up to double the foot traffic. Ready to turn clicks into customers? Start crafting your Arizona Google Ads today and watch your local business bloom like a desert rose after the rain. So what's stopping you from owning your local market? Dive in and dominate.